Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add or edit a fulfillment location on your Shopify store. This is essential for managing your inventory across different warehouses or regions and ensuring accurate shipping rates for your customers. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can access all your store management tools. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with various options. Go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area where you can configure everything from payments to shipping to store details. Once you're in the settings menu, look at the left sidebar again and click on Locations. This section is where Shopify lets you manage all your physical locations, whether that's a warehouse, a retail store, or a fulfillment center. Here you can add new locations or edit existing ones to keep your inventory organized. Now, to add a new location, click the Add Location button. This will open up a form where you can input all the necessary details for your new fulfillment location. You'll see a field labeled Name with a pencil icon beside it. Click on that pencil icon and type in a location name, something like United States or New York Warehouse, depending on what makes sense for your business. Once you've entered the name, click Done to confirm it. Next, click the pencil icon beside Address. This is where you'll input the full address of your fulfillment location. Take your time here and fill in all the required fields carefully, including street address, city, state, or province, postal code, and country. Accuracy is important because this address will be used for shipping calculations and customer communication. Once you've completed the address details, click Save to store this information. Then make sure to click the Save button at the top of the page to finalize adding this new location to your Shopify store. Give it a moment to process and save your changes. Now that your location is set up, let's configure the shipping rates for it. On the left side of the settings menu, again, click on Shipping and Delivery. This section controls how shipping is calculated and displayed to your customers at checkout. Within Shipping and Delivery, click on General Shipping Rates. Here you'll see options to manage how shipping works for different locations. Look for the section labeled Fulfillment Location and click Add Locations. A menu will appear showing all your available locations, including the one you just created. Select the location you want to configure and click Add. This links your new fulfillment location to your shipping settings. Now, to edit the shipping rates for this location, click the pencil icon beside it. You'll see an option to set up a new rate. Click New Rate for United States or whatever your location is called. Then click Done. You'll now be prompted to input a zone name. This is just a label to help you organize your shipping zones, like domestic shipping or international zone. Enter a name that makes sense for you. Next, select the countries and regions you want to ship to from this location. You can choose specific countries or entire regions depending on your business needs. Now you'll need to choose your rate type. Shopify gives you two main options here. You can either use flat rate, which means you set a fixed shipping price, or use carrier or app to calculate rates, which dynamically calculates shipping based on real-time carrier rates. Choose whichever works best for your store. After that, you'll see shipping rate options. You can choose from Express International 1 to 5 days, Standard International 6 to 12 days, Economy International 6 to 18 days, or create a custom rate if none of these fit your needs. Then, input a price for the shipping rate you've selected. This is what your customers will see at checkout. Once everything looks good and you've double-checked all your inputs, click Done to save this shipping rate. Finally, click the Save button at the top of the page to apply all your changes. Your new fulfillment location is now set up and ready to handle orders with the correct shipping rates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.